Hello everyone. Now I'm going to share with you the Eskrima-Kali-Arnis Bagging. Okay? So simply said, it is the variations or combination of strikes of the Eskrima-Arnisador. Now I'm going to use this my modified Arnis bagging tire. So I'm going to use my punching bag right here, right? So we'll show a quick glance on how to do the Arnis bagging. All right, let's do this. Be careful, Mika, okay? Yeah, all right. Thank you, baby. It's out again. Thank you, baby. So, jump. See? So, jump. Then close. Then. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Arnis bagging. Who subscribe in my YouTube channel, Fitness Fanatic. Oh.